Today we're making one of our favorite recipes, stuffed Cornish game hens. Now, my wife just asked me if it's one of our favorite recipes, why has it been 5 years since we've made this? Good question. I got no idea. I'll get back to you on that. Anyway, what's kind of unique about this recipe is you stuff very little into the cavity. You put 4 garlic cloves in the cavity and a little bit of parsley. Then you saute up spinach and cheese and a few other ingredients, and you stuff underneath the Cornish game hen skin. It really crisps up when you roast them, and it gives it a great flavor. So anyway, I thought I'd show you how we kind of do that. You just kind of take the skin and you run your fingers kind of gently under the Cornish game hen skin. Open up as much space as you can on both sides. And then you just gently work in as much spinach mixture as you can under the skin. You'd be surprised how much spinach and cheese you can get under there. There's probably about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup that I'm putting under here. Anyway, you can tell it's pretty easy to do. Just kind of push it back in there. I won't bore you with doing a whole Cornish game hen, but I thought I could show you a finished one, what it looks like. This is one I've got both breasts stuffed very well. And then you just tie off the legs. And then, because no Henson can make anything just the way a recipe says, instead of putting it in the oven and roasting it for about an hour, what we're going to do is we're going to put them on the smoker, and we're going to smoke them probably for an hour, hour and a half. When we're done smoking, I'm going to let you see what they look like.